Finally time to come back and get my treatments. Much needed. I've been so busy and haggard, but we're going to get rid of the crepey skin on the neck and hands today. So we're about to get the treatment. This is really the best. I'm not joking.
Alright.
As a time traveler ako dito.
Are you ready, Heart? Malinis na.
Yes, please.
Ready. Okay, so we're gonna inject now. We're gonna start. I'm gonna start with the hands. How is it, Heart? Better? I know, nice.
Talagang para kang bumata.
Yes, diba? The hands just look
My neck.
Yes, and your neck also, yeah. Okay, see, we're done on one hand.
If I just have the strength to do what's the other one? Yung parang ganito
provider. Yeah.
Kasi ito ba yung dalawa?
Alright, now we're gonna do the neck now.
Alright.
Relax your heart.
Dok, ano yung pasalubong ni Heart sa'yo ngayon?
Pasalubong sa akin si Heart. Meron siyang secret. The zero sugar-free chocolate from Japan.
You taught me that, Miss Winnie.
Winnie go?
Yes.
Talaga? Wow, ito parang secret.
Yes.
I love chocolates, but I really am avoiding it because of the calories.
Yes.
So now, Heart taught me what to
And it's
eat.
really creamy. I mean, there's cream.
So guys, yung mga nasa Japan dyan ha, pag uwi kayo ng Pilipinas, pasalubong naman.
Yes, yun lang po.
Ito lang ang gusto namin ni Heart.
Dinner. Diba?
Ayan, alam, at least Heart is sharing her secret.
Yes.
Always, diba? The secret to be thin
Happy.
and happy. Thanks, Heart.
Thank you.
There's always something to learn from you. Ayan,
Yes.
pinotes ako na.
May bago
Kasi
na.
baka bawiin pa ni Heart.
Oo.
Bulsahin na natin. At kakainin ko ito pag in between
Diba?
patients. Yeah, salamat.